Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.com, making this video about pound USD trade, which I showed in my yesterday's video, which I made for oil, crude oil, right? So, and I showed that pound USD that I'm holding it until tomorrow, which is today, and hopefully I will get around 130 pip trade, and then I'll show it to you guys tomorrow, right? So, I'm going to show it to you that what happened. Okay. But first, let me show you what happened to the USD. Well, forget about it. I will make another video about the USD. So let me play that video, which I made yesterday, and you will know exactly what I was talking about. So here's that video. Yeah. Right. So 30-minute entry right here based on the 40-minute setup chart. What is that? My 40-minute chart for pound USD is this. Retracement 61% and one reversal candle, blue candle, and then I look for the entry in 7. And if I have the 7-minute setup, I take it, same story. The entry is right there, right? And then my SL was previously here, and then when the price went up, I moved my SL to break even plus 5-6 pips out there. So if the SL comes back and hit my SL, I don't lose anything, right? And it's a free trade now. But if it goes right from here to the upside, this pair has daily range around 100 pip. So I have a shot at the full 100 pip for today. I mean, tomorrow, Tuesday. And plus the 30 pip so far from here to here, 35 pip, right? So this 35 pip and 100 pip, let's say, or maybe 90 or 100. So I have a shot at 120, 130 pip trade, which I will show you tomorrow if this pair goes all the way to the upside. All right. This is how I, use my setup and the trade. So if you like what you saw, right. Okay, now you saw that what happened to that trade, and this is where I end up having that trade. This is that was the entry I showed you yesterday, right, in that video. And I said that probably around 130 pip trade. And look what happened. This is where I was sitting. And here that news came out, CPI, and boom, straight to this level, 23.96. And that's where the daily range was about to finish, or maybe it was over that. So that's why I quickly finished it, closed the trade for 150 pip. I promise you that I'm going to show it to you tomorrow, that around 130 pip trade. And this is, I got 150. But this is nothing. What happened actually, that the pair made almost 240 pip daily range. Okay, it went up big time. So let me show it to you. This is the trade from entry to finish, 23.96. That is for 150 pip. But from here to here is another 100 pip it went. Why? Because it made the daily range. See, the daily range of pound USD is 89. But this is a 40-minute chart, by the way, right? And it was when I was in yesterday's video where I showed you, it was below 2306, 2308, and it went all the way there. And look how much it plays. He put up 228 in daily range so far today, in one day. Yesterday, previous day range was only 70. Average 60-day range is 89. So that's what I was thinking about. Maybe it will go as far as much as maybe like 100, 120 pip, but then 228 pips so far today. Right. Similarly, I had also an entry on EUR-USD. This is a 40-minute. It was here and it went there, and I couldn't make the chart. I closed that in a hurry, and let me show you from here to here. It is almost. Let me see how much. It is almost 85 pip trade. I closed that one as well, but I couldn't make the chart. So that's why I'm showing you this arrow, from entry to exit. It is on today from the 7-minute chart as well. After the news that happened, before the news, I was sitting here. And then after that, boom, all the way to the upside. So this is how it is. This is how the system works. And between the 40-minute and the 20-minute and 40-minute of this one is like this. It was here, and then bouncing and then getting ready to go up, and then boom, it went up all the way to 08.79. I should have waited until here, but I just closed those two early. but I still don't have 150 there and 80 there. That's enough, more than enough for me. And this is how it went, right? So just wanted to share you guys share with you. And the next video, I will update the US dollar index because that went down big time, right? So how it is going, how it went, how it's going, and how much is going to go more, and what will it will be doing as far as all these USD pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie New Zealand, then CAD, USD CAD, and USD Yen, what they are doing, all of that in the next video. All right, so don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel so you can get these setups and then get ready. All right, so whatever the system you're using, if you're using my system, use that. And if you're using something else, whatever, or if you want to get my system, go on my website and get it. Right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. This is one more time. This is the today's trade, Pound USD, which I said that I'm going to show you guys tomorrow on our 130 pip trade. And I came up with 150 pip trade. Empty from here all the way to this level, 23.96. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. Oh, by the way, one more thing that I not only this one, let me show you quickly. I had today, oh, come on, this one, Euro CAD for 115, entry, this, it's on the 14th, buy order here, right? Same, all of these are from my EA, Automated Expert Advisor. Took all of these entries from 20-minute chart. This one, Euro Yen, went all the way there. Gold, from here to here, 1955 to 1967. I closed that already. And NASDAQ from here to here. Buy order here. All of these today alone, right? Some days you don't have anything, but some days this is how you get 5, 6, 8 trades at the same time. It depends. The news. The news is powerful. It shakes up the whole market, not only the forex market, but the indices and all of that, metal, gold, this and that. Everything gets shaken. And you have, shot at almost everything. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.